Let's be honest, nobody likes a talker. You know the type, all talk, no proof. Saying you're great at something can only get you so far. What people really care about is evidence. So today I'm going to show you how to boost your credibility by displaying your certifications and education on LinkedIn. Now, these sections kind of act like professional receipts and let you show, not just tell, recruiters and hiring managers why you're the one they've been looking for. So they're the proof that you've done the work and have the expertise to back it up. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's start with why this section is important. Well, imagine if you were shopping online. What do you look for? You look for reviews, awards, star ratings, right? You want proof that the product or service works. Well, certifications and education do the same for your professional life. They're tangible proof that you've done the work, gained the knowledge, and delivered results. Certifications show that you've gone beyond just knowing something, you've mastered it. And education, well, it's the foundation that tells people you've got credibility. So when recruiters or hiring managers scroll through your profile, this section helps them build trust. It's like saying, look, I've done the work, here's the proof. And with so many employers requesting a certain level of qualifications these days, this section is often a quick tick box exercise, and this is one of the easiest ways to add credibility to your profile. But here's the thing, you've got to be strategic about it. First, don't just add any certifications or qualifications. Focus on the ones that actually matter for the roles you're targeting. So for example, if you're in project management, certifications like PMP or Agile, Scrum Master are going to stand out. But if you're applying for a more creative role, maybe something like Adobe Creative Suite certification would be more relevant. And here's a tip I love. Add certifications that show you're still learning. Employers love seeing that you're staying up to date. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning or Coursera have some amazing options. Even a short course in something like leadership or communication can make a difference. Oh, and don't forget to include the completion dates. Why? Because it shows you're current. A certification you earned last month is way more impactful than one from 5 years ago. And if you've got a bunch of certifications, prioritize the ones that are most relevant. Quality over quantity always here. Now, I know it might feel like a straightforward section, but there are still a few rules you want to follow to make the most of it. First, always lead with what's most relevant. If you've got multiple degrees or qualifications, highlight the ones that align most with your target roles. So for example, if you're transitioning into data analytics and you've taken an online course in Python, you want that front and center, even if it's not your main degree. And if you're earlier in your career, listing relevant coursework can really help. Did you take a class in advanced accounting or artificial intelligence? Add it here. It shows you've got the foundation for the job you're aiming for. And don't skip the extras. Were you part of a student organization or did you lead a project as part of your degree? Add that. Employers love seeing leadership and initiative even from your school days. Now let's talk about visibility, because these sections aren't just about impressing recruiters. They're also about getting your profile found. Now every time you add something to this section, you're adding searchable keywords to your profile. Think about it. If a recruiter is searching for Google Analytics Certified or MBA, these sections make sure you show up. So as I've said already, be strategic, use keywords, and keep it updated. Now, don't let this section gather dust, because it can make a huge difference to how you're perceived. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and get ready to join me for the next video in this series, where I'll be sharing everything you need to know about the most hotly debated features on LinkedIn, the Open to Work banner. I'll see you there.